You may know by now that as we travel across America in our self-converted Sprinter van, we're hoping to meet incredible people along the way and share their stories with you guys here. So Jordan's story is episode 1 of this series of stories of people across America.
These videos normally won't have an ask for money or anything like that. We're just showcasing stories that we find inspiring, but Jordan is a special case.
Yeah, Jordan really needs our help, and it really relates to this community of van lifers and nomads and travelers and all this kind of thing. Anybody with an adventurous spirit is going to relate to Jordan's story. So that's why we're asking for you to help out, because we truly believe in what she's doing.
You know, adventure is really a privilege. You know, we get to live in this van full time and travel the country, and that's a privilege in and of itself. And then other people get to climb mountains, or they get to go to other countries and travel. But we're all limited in some capacity when it comes to adventure. Some of us were limited by our time, we're limited by our money, and some of us are limited physically. And sometimes a lot of us are limited by all three of those things.
Something that's frequently overlooked is that adventure isn't just about going places and seeing new things. It's really just the mindset and what adventure means to you. Adventure is really a choice you have to make regularly, and it's something you have to be really intentional about pursuing. It doesn't have to be, like Chris said, climbing mountains all the time. It just has to be something that puts you out of your comfort zone, that challenges you, and does make you a little bit uncomfortable. So if this is the more tangible and authentic definition of what adventure really is, then nobody fits it better than our good friend Jordan Stroman.
So Jordan is one of the most fun-loving, adventurous people we know, and we actually got to catch up with her in Orlando a few months ago, and that's when she told us about some dreams that she's actually working towards that we had no idea she was doing.
No, we had no idea that she's essentially kind of working towards what we're doing right now, where she wants to travel on the road in her own self-converted van/bus. Exactly what that's going to look like is still a little unclear. She's still weighing her options, but you will notice that right off the bat that her challenges are going to be a little different than what our challenges were building out a van. And she is going to do it herself with the help of her family and her close friends. At an early age, Jordan was diagnosed with a genetic mutation that by the age of 12 confined her to a wheelchair full time.
That hasn't stopped Jordan from living a normal life. She's an author and a speaker. She travels. She graduated college.
Yeah, she lives a normal life. She just has a few different, struggles that she deals with on a daily basis. Jordan's everyday routine does look a little different than what our routine looks like. She does have physical limitations that do cause her to need to rest more often and things like that, but overall, she has the same dreams we do, and she's pursuing them the same way we are.
There's so many things that I gotta be able to do because I chose to figure out how to do that in a way that works for me, instead of just sitting back and saying, oh, I can't do this.
One of the dreams that she has is seeing the desert. She's never seen the desert. She's flown on an airplane. She's seen multiple different landscapes, but she hasn't seen the desert. And that's just one of her dreams for this next year, is to be able to get into a van and drive to the desert.
But I think it's really important to touch on that Jordan isn't just using this van as a home or as an adventure mobile. I mean, she's going to do all those things in it too. She's not going to be full-time just because of physical limitations, but she will be traveling and having fun. But along the way, she's hoping to use this as a catalyst to be able to speak to audiences that she's already trying to speak to. She's a speaker and an author, and so this van's just going to more easily get her from one place to another, because flying is really difficult for Jordan.
Traveling by air is completely exhausting in ways that we can't relate or understand.
But even road trips now are limited to 4-hour stints at a time. More than that, she really needs to lay down and be able to rest for a bit. So this van's going to enable her to really travel in the way that she's dreamed of traveling for a long time.
So this is where we reach the really cool part of the story. A few nights ago, Jordan was out at a concert, and the lead singer came over to Jordan and snapped his photo with her and posted it all over social media.
So because of that photo, her campaign has gained a ton of momentum. So we want to help keep that going to help Jordan stay on schedule and complete her renovations by the end of summer.
And so that's why we're making this video, because we want to help Jordan reach that goal.
Jordan has a goal of $20,000, but obviously if she can raise more than that, she's gonna be able to do a lot more to her van/bus conversion. So
Yeah.
if you see that she's maxed out on her budget, don't let that stop you from giving, because obviously $20,000, if you've ever done a van, that really doesn't go super far.
Yeah. So
I mean, it can, but Jordan has special requirements for this van that we don't.
And we want this to go a long way. So we want your help, and that's why we're unashamedly asking you to help Jordan. So make sure you follow her on Instagram.
Go say hi.
Go say hi. And then, no.
That's Kramer saying hi to
Yes,
Jordan.
hey Jordan, right? Make sure you go say hi to Jordan, and then make sure you go to the GoFundMe page. If you can donate $1, that would be amazing.
We do want to reiterate that this isn't just a van for Jordan to go have fun in. She's going to have adventures and she's going to see incredible places, but this is really a way for Jordan to get from place to place. You know, she gets asked to speak at different places and share her story, and right now she doesn't really have a great way of actually accessing those places. So this is really just, I mean, it's for her work. That's her job, is speaking and writing, and maybe one day you'll get to read her book too. So.
Yeah, so if you can donate $1, $10, $100, whatever you want to give, oh, it would just mean so much. So look, we're blatantly asking because we love Jordan so much, and she's inspired us, and I know that she is going to inspire tons of other people. So with that said, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you follow Jordan and say hi, and then maybe go to the GoFundMe page and just check it out.
The links to her GoFundMe and her Instagram are both going to be below down here, so be sure to go check it out and please say hi.
Yeah.
Sometimes encouragement's just the best thing, so.
You want to say hi to Jordan?
Where's Jordan?
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 We're going to see you on the road soon.
See you in Utah.
See ya.